Euler's formula for any polyhedron, where F stands for number of faces, V stands for number of vertices, and E stands for number of edges is. Now firstly, polyhedron you understood. Now what are faces, vertices and edges? Let's see that. See, this is a square prism. So this is a face. It has 6 faces. See, face means all these squares. These are faces. Edges means these lines, ends, and vertices means these points. Okay. So F, E, and V. That is the basic for Euler. Now this you will have to learn, mug up, because this is the answer. F plus V minus E equals to 2. That is very important formula. It is very much required in any polyhedron. So faces plus vertices minus edges equals to 2. You want to check it on this? Say this. F plus V, faces 6 plus edges 8. 8 these line segments 8. Right? Sorry, F plus V, faces 6 plus vertices how many? These points 8 points. Minus edges. How many edges? These 4 above, 4 below and 4 in the sides. So 12. So it comes